Hello and welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedrin. Dancehall artist Demarco has revealed that he supports the Broadcasting Commission's call for artists to stop focusing on gunman tunes. Over the weekend, the artist via Instagram posted an image denouncing gun and violent songs in dancehall. The post read, quote, "I wish every dancehall artist, including myself, will stop singing killing and gun songs. Amen." End quote. Demarco also said that he will no longer record music with gun lyrics and has urged his fellow artists to clean up their songs as well. He added that he believes that artists such as himself are very influential and must be conscious of the lyrics that they produce. In addition, the DJ controversially added that he blames Jamaica's political leaders for their role in helping to create a dysfunctional and violent society. In October, the Broadcasting Commission banned all scamming, molly and gun music from the airwaves. Jamaica last week alone recorded 35 murders. In the meantime, as the date for the announcement of the nominations for the 65th Grammy Awards fast approaches, Demarco's latest album, Melody, is currently among the 67 reggae albums shortlisted by the Recording Academy for consideration in the Best Reggae Albums category. Good luck. Chris Martin guaranteed a good night. Last Saturday, the artist was the special guest performer at the third staging of Johnny Walker's Keep Walking session held at the new, beautiful Rock Hotel in downtown Kingston. Martin swept the ladies off their feet with his beautiful voice.
Now listen up, me and my friends are some big deals. Yo, Sada, we very. Johnny Walker say we important for. Yo, no listen this had nothing to do with the money, yeah. This one is all about self.
Chris told E-Prom a little bit about his experience with the brand and gave us some insight about what is to come with his career.
Good vibes, man. You know what I mean? The acoustics and the sound is nice. You know what I mean? Thank Johnny Walker for having me. It was a nice vibe, man. Nice, intimate setting, and the crowd show me enough love, you know, so that's always a plus. We give thanks to that at all times. Well, I don't know one close the year in a nice way, so we still have some shows overseas. I'm on Sting, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, but we just the main vibe is after Guaranteed for the first quarter of next year we want to release an entire body of work, so that's the real end goal right now. So yeah, man, we'll launch that, isn't it?
E-Prime also spoke to the brand's ambassador LaShawn Davis on the initiative.
We wanted to take persons on the journey of Johnny Walker. Johnny Walker was an entrepreneurial spirit, and we wanted people to learn about the history, the different labels in a party. So while you're having fun, you can take a break, go to Scotland, experience the different aromas of Johnny Walker, and also learn something. So along with the excitement of tonight, we wanted to make sure that persons leave with more knowledge about whiskey, which is Johnny Walker.
The brand gave its patrons their very own Scotland in Jamaica experience in the sensory room, where they were taken on a journey to Scotland and learned about the history of Johnny Walker, the taste and the smell of Johnny Walker Black, the Johnny Walker Gold label, and how to make the preferred cocktails using 2 whiskeys. That's it for E Prime this evening. I am Daedrin. Thank you for watching.